This is our kitchen renovation, and whenever I post anything about our kitchen on my Instagram or TikTok, I always get asked what appliances we went with and why. So here are all the things that I asked when we were shopping for our appliances. I really feel like we made the best decisions possible. What do you think? I am at Coast Appliances right now, and we already have our appliances, but I'm going to take you through all the things that we asked, that we wanted to know when buying our fridge, our range, our dishwasher, and our beverage fridge. We're gonna ask the expert. So the first thing that I wanted to know is, what kind of size do you think we need? We have 2 kids, and I initially thought we would have enough space in the cubic feet.
About 25 cubic feet or more.
It's like, what does cubic feet mean?
It's basically the room inside the fridge and freezer.
How much space do people usually need?
Usually 25.
Okay.
25 cubic seems about fair for
and
a
that's
family
for fridge
of 4.
and freezer?
Correct. Most freestanding fridges already come with a 25 cubic feet, but they are very deep.
When I opened this one, I was like, it's very beautiful. When we're looking at this, what are some things that I should be aware of, or someone should be aware of, or look for?
You want to take a look at how much room you have in terms of the refrigeration. Refrigeration is the one that matters more. So how much shelving space you have, how much adjustability you can do.
Right, because you can adjust all of these, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
Sometimes how much crispers you have for your different separations of your fruits, your veggies, your meats. And as for your freezer, how much room do you need? 2
of our other non-negotiables with our fridge is that we wanted panel ready, because we wanted the fridge to really just be like this seamless, look like a piece of furniture type of situation, and it does. It looks stunning. And then inside we wanted a water filtration system, and this is not something I cared that much about until I tasted how much better the water is coming from this, which makes sense. But we didn't want to take up fridge space with like a Brita or like a, you know, water jug. This system is amazing. It has the ice as well, and if you want to just grab a bunch of ice, it has the little drawer. You just pull it out here. So those were our 2 main non-negotiables outside of the actual space and how much we could fit. And like, look how beautiful. Big question that I have, because when I went looking for our range, aesthetics was #1 on my priority list. I wanted it to look good. But what do you have to say about aesthetics versus functionality? What to look for, the longevity of the actual appliance, in this case a range?
So some options would be, when it looks very beautiful on the outside, it doesn't perform,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
The looks is great for show, that's about it in my opinion. Sometimes it just doesn't offer all the features that you want. For example, for your range, what we have, this bad boy right here. Nice flush look, good adjustable rack system, the drawers, and all your sliding out racks. Easy gliding, right?
Yeah.
And you do have your wok burner. Like, in terms of performance-wise, this guy would be, I would say, one of the tops, definitely. But aesthetically, it does look very nice.
Yeah. I'm ready. Okay, this is the dishwasher that we have. Ours is panel ready. I don't really know what else to say except that it's amazing. The quality is so good. Oh, well, we're gonna look at some other options as well that are also incredible. The KitchenAid, right?
Correct.
The last 2 appliances I haven't talked about yet that we got from Coast is our dishwasher. Also panel ready, looks gorgeous, so seamless. We have a Miele dishwasher. We had it at our other house and we loved it so much. When we were coming to this house and, you know, picking all the appliances, I'm like, we need the same brand because it was so good. It really cleans everything so well. My mom, who has had all different kinds of dishwashers in her life, she is like, I have never seen a dishwasher clean this well. Like, stuff that's literally caked on there, it comes out looking brand new. So if you're wondering if these dishwashers are worth the hype, I would say yes. But Jay did share that there is another one that is quite comparable, not panel ready, but still aesthetically pleasing, and he talks about it here.
So another comparable option would be the KitchenAid. The KitchenAid model, very popular in this market. It has a nice heavy duty handle, professional handle with the medallions on the side.
Yeah, that's cool.
Fingerprint resistant as well. It does have your 3 rack options. You have your cutlery rack as well. Nice adjustability. Okay. And 39 decibels, so very, very comparable to your Miele. Washing grade is a lot different, definitely in terms of the heating versus the heating in the Miele, where it's an auto open, does the condensation drying, where these guys have the heated drying. And a great price point, only $1,000.
Yeah, that's actually crazy. The range is just so gorgeous. Okay, the last thing I haven't talked about yet is the beverage fridge. We found that having a beverage fridge at our other house was super helpful, so we got ours built right into the island. Really what they did is they just left space for it in the island and then we slid it on in. Here it is. It's not perfectly organized today, which I strive for, but it's pretty good. You can change the temperatures, like there's zones for the temperature, so it says upper zone, lower zone. You can lock it if you need to lock the beverage fridge, you know what I'm saying? You can adjust the shelves. If you're wondering if a beverage fridge is going to help the chaos in your fridge, absolutely it will. It also looks pretty cool. So I think that is it for the appliances. If you have questions, let me know in the comments. I can try to answer the best that I can, or I will ask my friends over at Coast to give me the answers and I'll get them to you. I will say that shopping for appliances, I thought was going to be overwhelming, stressful, chaotic, but it was actually incredibly seamless. We had those like certain things that we wanted. So my recommendation is go in knowing at least a couple of the things you want, whether that's price, size, look, and they will help guide you in the right direction. Last thing I'm gonna say, the prices are going to shock you in a good way. I could not believe that some of the dishwashers, some of the washer and dryers, some of the fridges were cheaper at Coast than they were at Home Depot. Plus you get that custom, amazing customer service experience that you just don't get at some of those other stores. So enough about this. Let me know if you guys have questions. I hope you like the before and after. We are loving it so far. See you next time.